Do you want to know how to make money fast in 2024? Welcome to the future, where the digital age is in full swing and the opportunities for financial growth are endless. We're about to dive headfirst into a world teeming with money-making prospects, from online business opportunities to cryptocurrency investments. We'll explore the power of the internet and the stock market, and how you can utilize these platforms to enhance your financial standing. Stick around to find out how you can boost your income this year. The internet is your golden gateway to vast wealth. Imagine a world where you can tap into an unlimited market, sell to anyone, anywhere, at any time. That world is here and now, thanks to the power of the internet. It is a realm of infinite possibilities, where a single idea can blossom into $1 billion business. Now let's talk about online businesses. They are the new gold mines of the 21st century. From small-scale entrepreneurs operating out of their home offices to multinational corporations running vast digital empires, online businesses are redefining the way we earn money. The startup costs are usually low, the risks are manageable, and the potential for profit is enormous. And then there's digital marketing. It's like the fabled Midas touch, turning everything it reaches into gold. Through social media, search engines, and email campaigns, businesses can reach out to millions of potential customers in a heartbeat. With the right strategy, you can turn clicks into cash in no time. E-commerce, on the other hand, is the bustling marketplace of the digital world. It's where consumers go to find everything from everyday essentials to luxury items. With the right products, the right platform, and the right approach, you can set up a thriving online store that rakes in money around the clock. But remember, the power of the internet is not just about making money fast. It's about creating sustainable wealth. It's about building a business that not only brings in revenue today, but also grows and evolves with the changing times. So, whether you're selling products, offering services, or sharing ideas, the internet provides you with a platform to reach out to the world, to connect, to engage, and to profit. It's a world where creativity, innovation, and strategic thinking can turn dreams into realities. Harnessing this power can lead you to financial success. This is the era of the digital entrepreneur, where the internet is not just a tool, but a powerful ally in the pursuit of wealth. So step into this brave new world and watch as your dreams turn into tangible success. Online businesses are proving to be a goldmine. They're not only a lucrative venture, but also offer flexibility and the convenience of working from anywhere. Let's delve into the various online business opportunities that you can tap into. First off, we have dropshipping. This is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. It's a low-risk business model, as you don't need to deal with stock or delivery issues. Next up is affiliate marketing. It's a performance-based business where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services on your website or social media platforms. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can start with minimal upfront costs, and you don't need to create a product of your own. Creating and selling digital products is another promising online business opportunity. These may include ebooks, online courses, music, photography, and more. The internet has made it easier than ever to share your knowledge and creativity with the world, and make money while doing it. The best part? Once the product is created, it can generate income passively. Other online business opportunities include blogging, vlogging, podcasting, and offering freelance services such as writing, designing, or programming. These ventures allow you to turn your passion or skills into a profitable business. Lastly, there's the realm of software and app development. With a great idea and some coding skills, you can create a product that meets a market need. While this requires a certain level of technical know-how, the potential for profit is substantial. Remember, every online business opportunity has its pros and cons. It's crucial to choose a path that aligns with your interests, skills, and long-term goals. And of course, be prepared to put in the work. Building a successful online business requires time, effort, and persistence. With the right strategy, these online businesses can be your ticket to fast money. Embrace the digital age and seize these opportunities. The world of online business is vast and waiting for you to explore. Cryptocurrency, a word that's causing a stir in the financial world. These digital assets are reshaping our understanding of currency and investment. With its potential, cryptocurrency has become an exciting and promising avenue for creating wealth. So, how does one invest in cryptocurrencies? Well, it's akin to buying and trading stocks, but in this case, you're dealing with digital assets. You purchase coins or tokens of a certain cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the multitude of options available. These cryptocurrencies hold value, and as with any investment, the goal is to buy low and sell high. Now, where does the potential for significant earnings come from? It's primarily due to the volatility of the market. Prices can swing wildly from one day to the next, and while this may sound daunting, it's this very fluctuation that can lead to considerable profits. If you buy a cryptocurrency at a low price and it increases significantly, you stand to make a substantial return on your investment. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Investing in cryptocurrency is not a guaranteed get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a keen eye, a calculated mind, and yes, a bit of courage. You have to keep a close watch on market trends, understand the technology behind it, and most importantly, be ready for a roller coaster ride. Remember, the higher the risk, the higher the potential return. Aside from buying and trading, you can also earn cryptocurrencies through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems. However, this method requires a significant investment in hardware and consumes a lot of electricity, making it an option more suited for dedicated enthusiasts. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be a lucrative venture. However, it's essential to approach it with a clear understanding and a well-thought-out strategy. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and always be prepared for the unexpected. Cryptocurrency is a risky but rewarding venture if you take the time to understand it. So, are you ready to ride the wave of this digital revolution? The stock market, a classic path to wealth. Now let's talk about the stock market. It's been around for centuries, and it's still one of the most popular and potentially profitable ways to invest. Sure, it might not have the same shiny new appeal as the latest cryptocurrency, but it has a proven track record. The stock market is essentially a marketplace for buying and selling pieces of companies or stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. The value of that piece can go up or down, depending on a variety of factors. So how can you make money in the stock market? There are two main ways. One is by buying low and selling high. This is the classic strategy, and it's all about timing. You buy a stock when its price is low, then you sell it when the price goes up. The second way is through dividends. Some companies, especially larger, more established ones, pay dividends to their shareholders. These are regular payments that you receive just for owning the stock. It's like a little bonus, on top of any profits you might make from selling the stock at a higher price. But here's the thing, the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires knowledge, strategy, and sometimes a little bit of luck. You need to understand the companies you're investing in, keep an eye on the market trends, and make smart, informed decisions. There are tools and resources out there that can help. There are online platforms that make it easy to buy and sell stocks, apps that provide real-time market data, and educational resources that can help you learn the ins and outs of investing. So if you're willing to put in the time and effort, the stock market could be a great way to increase your wealth. It might not be as exciting as the latest internet business opportunity or the newest cryptocurrency, but it's a tried and true method that has stood the test of time. The stock market is a game of strategy. Play it well, and you could see your wealth grow. There you have it, a guide to making money fast in 2024. In this whirlwind tour, we've unveiled the potential of the internet as a vast playground for wealth creation. From its countless corners, we've highlighted online businesses as a promising avenue for you to explore. Whether it's starting an e-commerce store, offering freelance services, or creating a blog, the possibilities are as expansive as the web itself. Moving into the realm of digital currency, we've delved into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. As we've learned, it's not just about Bitcoin. From Ethereum to Dogecoin, the crypto landscape is teeming with opportunities. The volatility may be overwhelming for some, but for those who are willing to ride the waves, profits can be substantial. We've also navigated the complex labyrinth of the stock market. Despite its unpredictable nature, it remains a reliable avenue for wealth accumulation. Remember, it's not just about buying low and selling high, but also about understanding market trends and making informed decisions. But let's not forget, while these avenues promise fast money, they also come with their own set of risks. Therefore, it's crucial to do your due diligence, stay informed, and make calculated decisions. After all, the road to wealth is not always a sprint, it's often a marathon. Remember, the key to making money fast is to seize opportunities, take calculated risks, and stay informed. Now go out there and make your fortune.